Alright, so I went by AutoZone today, and I was needing a shift knob for my e30, and I picked this one up. It's pretty good weight to it. I mean, it has a nice finish too. It's one of those just generic brands that aren't really professional, and the type that are probably also sold at Walmart, but I mean, it has a good weight to it. Looks pretty good. I don't know why it says this. For off-road use only. It's a shift knob. I mean, what are you going to do? And then it goes on to say, please check your local and state laws. So maybe it has like lead in it. Maybe that's why it weighs so much. I don't know. Maybe that's for California. And here we got some adapters. I might return this, so I kept the receipt. And I'm just going to open this up pretty carefully so I can return it. Okay. You know, that feels pretty good. It's a good weight to it. And I'm guessing you take these off right here, and that's going to be your adapter. Oh, it goes all the way down there. Pretty bright. Now I'll just try it out. Alright, so we're in the e30, and I'm going to try to fit this onto there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. But there's a little more to it than that. Yeah, there's the OEM. It's going to be shorter, so we got these little pieces here, and none of which fit. I have no idea how I'm going to get that back off. Shoot, I cracked it. Was never turning it now. Let's just put this in. Oops. Shoot, that's not going anywhere. It turned out pretty good. It's a little tall, but I mean, this thing would have been, you know, at least the same height, probably taller. So it's an improvement. Feels really good. It's a good weight to it. I have no idea why it would be illegal, but then again, I guess so that company can't have anyone sue them for any reason. Yeah, it's pretty loose. Looks pretty good.